Hello YouTube, Fish Taco here. Another beautiful day, another smelt dipping video. So this is the first opener of 2026, February 18 on a Wednesday morning. It's calm and nobody's here, but the fish are here. And we all gonna be waiting for that magical 8 o'clock. And when we just gonna go start. So everybody's patiently waiting. The day before, not that many fish reported, so a lot of people are not here today, but they are definitely missing out. They are missing out. You see, there's not many people that came out today. They will know what they're missing. Let's go. Nice. That's a big one. Oh, there's another. The legal limit here in Washington for smelt is 10 pounds per person. That is about a little bit under halfway of that white bucket. And on a day like this, the fish is running and not a lot of people on the side of the bank to scare the fish into the deep. You could pretty much get your limit within 1 or 2 dip. My first dip, I got about 7 pounds, 6 to 7 pounds. Easy. My second dip, I got about 3 pounds, 4 pounds. You know, if you're over by a little bit, you know, doesn't matter, don't sweat it. But if you're way over, or like by several pounds, some people to get several buckets, then yeah, that's gonna be a big problem. There will be game wardens at the parking lot with a scale to weigh your fish, so better play by the rules. Yep, there are families out here today with their kids, and you know, if the kids are able-bodied, yeah, they could get their kids for their quota as well for the 10 pounds. Sometimes you get one scoop that is 10 pounds. That's maybe not 10 pounds, but getting close. Just keep it going. Now this man is gonna get 10 pounds. Wow.
Oh my goodness. 这个已经你们2个人了，2个人的 limit 了，已经不用捞了，已经。
Now that is about 2 people's limit. Hopefully somebody else will have an empty bucket to share that catch.
这个更爆，已经。
That's definitely more than 10 pounds in that one net. Now sometimes you can see that there will be shallow rocks that will force the fish to come up to the shallow, and they will speed up, try to get through that gap, and that's a good place to net them too, without having to dip your nets too deep into the water. On a steep bank like this, where water in front of you is deeper, you do need to go a little bit deeper to get to that big school of fish. Yep, that's a pretty fine specimen of a 10-pound net. One net, one limit. And make sure to bring a scale to weigh your fish, or somebody else will weigh it for you at the parking lot. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. See you next time. Bye-bye.